Today I will introduce a full pouch of condom. Have a look about this. It is a rectangular full pouch. Relatively speaking, this kind of package is cheaper. This kind of package is square full pouch. The normal size of this pouch is 55mm by 55mm or 55 by 58. The price of a square full pouch is higher than rectangular full pouch. We also have one kind of package, which we call it ball package. The price of this one is the highest one. But for this kind of package, you can drip more lubricant inside. You also can consider to put a premium condom inside, such as extra thin condom or delay condom. And the box for this kind of package also can use very high quality, such as gold printing color or silver printing color, such as this kind of box. If you're interested in this one, please contact with us.